We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be doing the review or overview of the Columbia River Montosa. It is a folding knife designed by Richard Rogers. I'll start off by telling you a little bit about the specs on it. 7.75 inches overall. It's a 8CR13 MOV steel. It has a deep carry pocket clip, see-through chassis. It is a liner lock. Has room for a lanyard. It is considered a everyday carry or a camp knife. Clip point style blade. Bead blasted finish, flat grind. It is a thumb stud for opening. Tip up carry, right or left, doesn't matter. G10 on the scales. The weight of the knife is 3.2 ounces. Handle length is 4.5. Blade is 3.25. And we'll go ahead and talk a little bit about this knife. I'll show you how it performs. We'll start off with some paracord. As you can see, it cuts pretty smoothly. We'll do a pullback cut. Little resistance there as we cut. It's got a nice edge on this knife. Cuts very smoothly. Even down at the bottom half of the blade. We'll try to keep it up on the top. Not bad. Now this knife, even though it has this blunt tip area here, seems to have a real sharp tip on it. Does well at precision cutting. I mean, I'm not pressing, and that is going through. It's just sticking on the edges there. So you can see if I press a little bit harder, it cuts right on through. It's cutting my board, that's for sure. When it comes to spear cutting, it probably will be decent, but you won't have excellent control over it. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought would happen. A lot of times it pushes in. As you can see, we're not even through. And then it pushes back out due to the blunt tip. That's okay. It's not designed really for that. To use in a situation where you were out camping or everyday box cutter, you'd be good. Nice little knife. It does have a purple pivot cap collar there. We like that. That's kind of nice. Alright, so once again, this is the CRKT Montosa. Interesting name. Next time I see somebody from Columbia River, I'll have to ask them how they come up with that. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do these overviews pretty much daily. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have hundreds of reviews, and we do a weekly show where we'll cover the new knives for the week, or we'll do some brand knives, something like that. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.